Hello, students. I'm your biology educator, Dr. Meet Bhavnani. Very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Diksha Karnataka. Wonderful channel it is for all KCT and NEET students. Now, students, what is displayed on the screen is that you very well know that first NEET, which was held on 3rd May 2026, got cancelled. So it again, you have to prepare once more for ReNEET 2026, going to held on 21st of June. So now for this, Vedantu is giving you one of the best opportunity. Prepare stronger for ReNEET 2026 daily mock test practice at Diksha Vedantu offline center. You have to reach to your offline centers. Means like that you have reached already on 3rd May and will going to reach on next ReNEET 2026. So offline center will give you that image or picture or will reboost your confidence that you are going to the offline center again and again and preparing. Okay, start at 16 May, every Monday to Saturday, open to all NEET aspirants in Bangalore. Timings are 9:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m., 12:30 p.m. one lunch break, and everything is given 1 p.m. onwards. Paper discussion and doubt solving. Okay, and you very well know some other updates of NEET also, like 15 minutes will extra given to all the students for ReNEET 2026. Okay, and your admit card with city allocation will come very soon. Please update with the NT officials website. Okay, campuses are Diksha Vedantu Yelahanka, Diksha Vedantu Vidyanagar, and Vedantu Learning Center JP Nagar. Okay, now, one more bonanza is Vedantu is giving to you, that please install Telegram application through the Play Store of your mobile, and then search for this ReNEET 2026 Reloaded DK. That is the Telegram channel. Name of Telegram channel created by Diksha Karnataka Vedantu. Join this Telegram channel. You will get so many updates and resources. Okay. So today I'm going to tell you the most important thing, one month strategy for ReNEET 2026, how you are going to prepare for this. Now, first of all, write down, write down, it's still yours. Write down still yours weak topics. If you are thinking that genetics part was not good on first attempt of NEET, just write it down on a paper that genetics is not good till yet. So you have to focus on genetics first. If you are very good, brilliant, or excellent with the human physiology unit, from breathing of exchange of gases to chemical coordination and integration, then quickly revise it. And if you are thinking that genetics is not good, biotech is not good, focus on them more deeply. Okay. Second, write down your weak topics. Second, now you have to more emphasize first on high weightage topics. Weightage topics. Okay. Then medium, then low. But your preparation should be very good for all these three weightage of topics. Then what you have to do, you have to pick up regularly one chapter daily. Daily one chapter. If you have the stamina, if you have the more potential, pick at least two chapters. Two chapters at least. No, not one. Two chapters a day. You have to balance your physics and chemistry also. That's why I'm focusing that two chapters. One take moderate chapter, one take tough chapter of biology, because you have already prepared, but at least you remember 90% of the topics till today. Theory, not very quick revision. Read NCRT line once again. Theory, two times revision. NCRT Okay, 2 times revision NCRT, then solving PYQS plus NCRT exemplars. NCRT exemplars daily after completion of theory of each chapter. Done? Each chapter. Then mock test after every unit. You can apply this technique on physics and chemistry also. I'm not an educator of physics and chemistry, but a slight idea is given because I am a doctor. I've already given the All India PMT exam. Okay, so I know, means I have also prepared the same thing, physics, chemistry, and biology. After every unit, means after genetics unit, after biotech unit, is you like you have complete you have completed all the chapters of human physiology, then solve all the questions of unit of human physiology. Means first round you already solved questions after doing completion of theory of each chapter. Second round after unit, and third for full syllabus mock test. Full syllabus means complete PCB mock test. Okay, students. So this is the strategy I want to give you for 1 month. Apply it from today. And what are you thinking? You can update in the comment box. And please give your suggestions that ma'am we can do this for Rini 2026 because you are the students, you are the youth. You can also give us good ideas. You are open to tell us. And every educator is very brilliant in Vedantu. Every educator is trying to give you the best. So let's restart with for rainy 2026. Let's start once more. Let's study once more. There is no harm in this. Okay, thank you very much. All the very best. Thank you so much.